And now you're all going on vacation!
Yay! We are ready.
Yes. Let's go.
Hold on! You're going on a winter vacation to Lapland!
No problem.
We're ready for that too. Oh wait, where's my outfit?
Don't worry, we'll sort it out right away. Come with me. Come on in, Rumi.
We'll start with this fabric. Trace the pattern.
Cut it out.
Now we need to sew it.
Perfect! Let's put it on Rumi. Absolutely slaying! Now for the fur.
Fold it in half. Cut along the marks. Add sleeves.
Rumi also needs a belt.
Yes.
Oh no, she doesn't have shoes! How is she gonna walk barefoot in the snow?
Don't panic. I've got some boots for her.
But they're totally not her style.
Let's decorate them. Which do you prefer?
Neither. I have a better idea. Faux fur.
Perfect. Wrap Rumi's boots in pink fur. We'll also make a fluffy headband.
The look is slaying, but something's still missing. Rhinestones, of course. Wow, sparkly!
Wow, I look amazing. Time to have some fun.
Where's she off to?
Woohoo! Girls, come join me.
Awesome.
Girls, come over here!
What's up, Lali?
Let's build a snowman. I rolled the first ball.
And here's the second.
And the third.
Let's give him a carrot nose.
And what should we use for eyes? Oh, I've got an idea.
What is it?
Rhinestones.
Perfect.
Girls, let me take a photo of you with the snowman.
Look, it's the girls. Hide.
Cool, they have a snowman, and we have nothing.
Oh, what's that? It's Genu. Yay! Whoa.
No way! Now that's so cool!
Oops. Hey, Genu, are you okay? Hey, someone help me up.
We're digging you out right now!
I'm totally fine. That run was so amazing! We want to go too. Can we use your sled? Oh wait, where even is it? Oh no! It broke. Oh, sorry guys, I don't think it's gonna work out.
Who said not gonna work out? We're gonna make you a cool snowmobile. Right, LaLiLu?
Of course. Come with me.
I know exactly what to make it from. A plastic milk bottle. Genius, right?
Great idea. That'll work perfectly. Peel off the label and draw the markings.
Here's a marker for you.
Thanks. Now we need to cut it out.
I brought your utility knife.
Just what we need. Cut along the lines. We have the base.
Oh, it's already starting to take shape. But it's a little hard.
We'll make seats from dish sponges.
Oh, great, let's do it.
Put one sponge on the bottom and the second as a backrest. How does it feel?
Super comfy, but we still need a steering wheel.
I know what to make it from. Use this stand.
What a cutie. Now you're mine.
Lolly. Fine. Remove the metal part. Bend the ends outward and wrap it in pipe cleaner. Mount it on the hood. Cover the handles with pom-poms. Something's still missing. Hey, where's Lolly?
What a great crew we have here. Just the best. I love it too. I hope LaLiLu is doing okay.
Lolly, I need your help.
Okay, break's over. Don't miss me. I'll be back soon. So, what's the problem? Okay, we've got the wheel. Right, we need wheels. I've got a cardboard tube.
And I've got corrugated cardboard. Fold the corrugated cardboard and slide 2 tubes inside.
That slaps. Just need to add some color.
Color everything with a blue marker. And place our snowmobile onto the threads. It's a little wobbly though.
We'll fix that.
Take some popsicle sticks and break them.
No, let me do it. And hi-ya! We'll make runners from these. paint them blue. Attach them in front of the treads.
Aww.
This snowmobile is absolutely slaying. Oh no, we're running late. Need to speed up.
Lolly,
I brought some decorations.
trim our snowmobile with sequins.
And a big heart goes right here.
All that's left is to cover the side of the tread. And the snowmobile turned out absolutely gorgeous.
LaLiLu, we killed it. Off I go. So guys, what do you think?
Wow, that's sick. Lolly, can I take it for a spin?
Of course, no problem. This is for you guys, go for it.
Yeehaw! Whoa! That slaps.
Okay, get off. My turn.
Oh, where did Mystery go?
I'm right here.
You are so funny.
And here comes the world's greatest racer.
Hey everyone, let me show you how it's done. Hey there, ladies. Thanks so much.
Don't worry, I'll brush you off right now.
It's so cold.
LaLiLu, we need to do something right now.
Let's wrap the girls up for now.
We need a fireplace. Let's go. What can we make it from? Oh, this will work.
Take off the top.
What now?
Coming right up, take 3 skewers and glue them into a half sphere. Trim off the extra.
We need to paint it. Spray the outside with pink paint. Now take a brush and paint the inside black.
Now for the craft foam. Cut out decorative tiles and cover our fireplace with them. It's turning out sparkly. The fireplace will shimmer beautifully in the sunlight.
We still need firewood. Let's make it from air-dry clay.
Great idea. Roll it into balls. Flatten them and roll them up. Make some grooves so it looks like tree bark and cut it into logs. You can toss them into the fireplace, Lolly. Let's also add some flames. And done!
Girls, look what I brought! Who wants marshmallows?
Me?
Me too!
I want some too. Then grab your sticks. So, where are the marshmallows? 1 sec. Wow, I love toasted marshmallows. Yes, they're so delicious.
Nom, 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 nom.
Zoe, as always. Here's your hot chocolate, girls.
The guys are at it again. Time to teach them a lesson. Oh, LaLiLu, I just came up with the...
Tell me.
I want to scare the guys. Turn me into a snowman.
No problem.
I knew you'd be on board. Okay, I'm ready.
Trace Lolly's silhouette on the snowflake printed cardboard.
Is it me? So funny. Oh, I want to cut it. Ta-da!
The pattern's ready. Need to trace it onto fabric.
But we don't have any fabric. Where do we get some? Light bulb moment. Look at this snow. Bring the iron, LaLiLu.
Let's see what happens. Oh wow, that's what we need. Lay the pattern down and cut out 2 pieces.
Looking for this?
Oh, right on time. Sew our pieces together and voila! Lolly, try it on, quick! Woohoo! Oh, you look almost like a snowman. Just need to hide your head so nobody recognizes you. Take a plastic half sphere and cover it in white fluffy fabric.
Come on.
We just need to adjust it a little. Put on a scarf. There! Loads of snowballs. Add some little ears and paws. Oh, it's too cute. Grab some clay. Roll little claws. And insert foam sheet teeth. Ooh, how scary. And the final touch, add a little blue pastel. Shave the chest, paws, and ears.
Yay!
What do you think? Am I ready to go?
Oh wait, the eyes. Now it's officially done.
I'm a real snowman. Woo! Scared? Okay, I'm off.
Take that!
Right back at you.
Get ready!
Guys, I'm cool, right?
Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
What is it?
Woo!
Ah, run!
Somebody help me!
Save me!
Where can I hide? Oh, of course. Nobody can get me in here.
Oh no, I can't escape! I'll pretend to be a snowflake. Maybe it'll work.
Where did he go?
Oh no, it's coming!
I'll find you.
Phew, I think I'm safe. Oh, it's you! LaLiLu, help me! I'm really scared of the snowman.
All right, I've got an idea. We'll need a big bowl.
Great, I'm safe now.
No, not so fast.
What do you need it for?
Wait and see. Draw a small semicircle entrance with a marker. Need to cut it out. A utility knife will do. Then take a cardboard tube. Cut it lengthwise. And tape 1/2 on as a canopy over the entrance. I'll help you.
Oh no, LaLiLu, hide me!
LaLiLu, have you seen Genu?
He ran that way.
Got it, thanks.
Genu, you can come out.
Phew, barely got away. Thanks, LaLiLu.
We'll need some tissues.
But what do we do with it?
Lay several tissues on the dome. And pour on plenty of white glue. Add another layer of tissues. And spread everything out really well. Now we need snow bricks. Make them from rectangular cotton pads. Fill the seams with cotton. Add a little coloring using blue pastel. Apply the pastel with a brush. And our igloo is done.
Wow, this is so cool. I'm heading in.
Hey, Genu, you in there? Time to come back out.
Where can I hide? Oh, this wasn't here before. Perfect hiding spot.
Help! Hey, is anyone in here? Mystery. Get in here, quick.
Woo! You didn't get scared, did you? Hey guys, it's me. Come out. Hey. Oh, come on. I brought you hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate. Then come on in.
Oh, wow.
Come on, try and catch me.
You guys set yourself up pretty nicely in here.
And we've got a full fridge of food, too.
Seriously?
Take a look.
That slaps. We need to make something like this for the girls, too. LaLiLu, I have an idea. Let's make the girls a spa hot tub.
Great thinking. We'll need a container.
No, that one won't work.
Oh, what about this one?
A little cramped.
How about this one?
That's the one.
Then let's start. Take some foam and draw a big circle line. Cut out the center and cover the platform itself with pink wrapping paper. Place the bowl inside and cover the sides.
Oh, wow, but it's super high up.
Let's fix that right now. Cut the leftover circle into 4 pieces.
Let's make it sparkly.
Let's do it. So the glitter sticks well. Coat the steps with clear nail polish.
Pour on tons and tons of glitter. That's sick. Do we need this?
Of course. Unscrew the cap with a spout and paint it pink. Set the faucet on the tub and add handles.
LaLiLu, we can't forget the rhinestones. Our hot tub has to sparkle. Now let's fill it up. Wow, pink water! Exactly how I like it. Soleil!
Everything is ready. You can chill out now.
Girls, come over here.
What's going on, Lolly?
I made us a spa!
But how are we going to bathe? We don't have swimsuits.
No worries, we'll whip up swimsuits real quick.
Take a balloon, make some cuts, and put it on like a swimsuit. Ta-da!
Oh wow, that's so smart! Everyone in the water! Pure bliss.
Oh, I'm scared. It's too hot. We'll cool it down for you.
Thank you, that's better.
Total relaxation. Now this is a real vacation.
Whoa! Look, they got a hot tub.
That slaps. Let's join them. Girls, we're coming in.
Oh no!
Woohoo!
Look, it got warmer.
This is so sick.
LaLiLu, it's too hot now. Yay! Everyone to the pool!
Chilling.
Give it a like if you loved our vacation too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Time for me to go for a swim. Bye-bye!